Welcome to Knowledge Plaza. Click on subscribe button, click on bell icon and select all and thumbs up for more videos. Namaste. Once again welcome to Knowledge Plaza YouTube channel. It's all about mathematics. So today as I'm before you to discuss about the topic quadratic equation. In that some important questions which are asking for examination for 3 marks. Okay, so let us discuss about the topic by having examples. These are the compulsory questions which will be there in the examination for 3 marks. Okay, so let us discuss about examples. Now let us discuss about the example, that is the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. Okay, here they asked to find the present age of Rahman. Okay, they are given here the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3 that they were given. Okay, so now let us consider the present age of Rahman is the present age of Rahman be x. Okay, x years. Okay, now 3 years ago, that means x minus 3, and 5 years from now, the present age is x, so x plus 5. From now means now, then 5 years. Okay, next, what the reciprocal of these sum is equal to 1/3. It means we have to take the reciprocals here. 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1/3. Now have the LCM. What will be the LCM? X minus 3 and x plus 3 are the LCM. So cross multiply x plus 5 to the 1 and x minus 3 to the 1. What will we have? X plus 5 plus x minus 3 whole divided by x minus 3 into x plus 5 as a LCM, which is equal to 1/3. Okay, now what we have, this x minus 3 into x plus 5 is multiplied to the right side, then this 3 multiplies to the left side. It becomes 3 into here x plus x, it becomes 2x. 5 minus 3 means plus 2. Okay, which is equal to 1 into anything is 1, that number only or that thing only, x minus 3 into x plus 5. Okay, now multiply here. 3 2s are 6, x plus 6 is equal to binomial by binomial multiplication. Do that, we'll getting x square minus 3x then plus 5x minus 15. Okay, so x square as it is, then 6x minus 6 goes to the right side, it becomes minus 6x minus 3x plus 5x minus 6x minus 3x as there only, plus 5x as there only, minus 15 as there only, and 6 comes to the left side, it becomes minus 6, which is equal to 0. Next, x square as it is, then minus 6x minus 3x, it becomes minus 9x plus 5x, it becomes minus 4x. Then minus 15 minus 6, it becomes minus 21, which is equal to 0. Now the given condition is comes to the quadratic form. Now we are going to find the roots for the given quadratic equation by factorizing or by formula method. Okay, now we are going to solve this by formula method. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 21. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now simplify the values of a and b, c. minus b means minus into minus plus 4 becomes plus or minus root 16 becomes minus 4 whole square means plus 16 only, minus 4 into a is 1 and b c is minus 21. Now divided by 2 into 1, then x is equal to 4 plus or minus root 16 minus into minus plus 84 all divided by 2. Okay, now simplify it again. What will you have? X is equal to 4 plus or minus root 100 by 2. Here x is equal to 4 plus or minus root 100 means 10 only, divided by 2. Either x is equal to 4 plus 10 by 2 or x is equal to 4 minus 10 by 2. We are getting here 7. X is equal to 7 because 14 becomes 2 7s 14. Then here it becomes minus 3. Okay. So a's cannot be expressed in the negative term. So x is equal to 7 we have to consider here. Okay, x is equal to 7, then x is equal to 7 means the percentage of Rahman. Therefore, the percentage of Rahman is 7 years. Okay. So as like this, we are to find the solutions for the given questions. Okay, by using the quadratic equation and by applying any methods to find the roots for the given quadratic equation. Okay, have you got the method to solve the equations? Problems like this. Okay, so let us have some more examples. Good dear students, let us discuss about the next example. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter sides of the field. Okay, so here they are given the longer side and the shorter side diagonal of the rectangular field. Okay, let us draw the rectangle. Okay, here, okay, let us consider a rectangular field that is ABCD. Here the shorter side is AB and CD are the shorter sides and the longer sides are AD and BC are the longer sides. Or they are given here. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So let us take the shorter side as X and the diagonal AC. AC is the diagonal and it is 60 meter more than the shorter side. That means X plus 60. Okay, X plus 60 meter is the diagonal. Okay, and next the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. So that means X plus 30. Okay, now we have to find the sides of the rectangular field. Okay, let us find the sides of the rectangular field. We have taken here the shorter side as X and BC, that means the longer side as X plus 30 and diagonal is X plus 60. Okay, now in the triangle ABC, it is a right triangle. In triangle ABC, by applying the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that square of the hypotenuse is equal to square sum of the other two sides. Let us see. AC square. AC is the diagonal now and it is the hypotenuse. AC square is equal to square of sum of other two sides. AB square plus BC square. So AC means X plus 60. X plus 60 whole square, which is equal to AB square, that means X square, plus BC square means X plus 30 whole square. Okay, now apply the A plus B whole square formula here. X square plus 60 whole square means 3600 plus 120 X is equal to X square plus X square again plus 900 plus 60x. Okay, now simplify the equation. Here 1x and x get cancels. Here x left, x square left, and 120x comes to the left side. It becomes minus 120x. Minus 120x plus 60x means minus 60x, and 360 comes to the right side. It becomes minus 360. Minus 360 plus 900 means it is minus 2700, which is equal to 0. Now by applying the quadratic formula, we can find the roots for this given quadratic equation. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 60, and c is equal to minus 2700. Okay, now simplify by using the quadratic formula. Okay, let us find the roots for the given quadratic equation. X equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. The formula is compulsory whenever you want to find the roots for the given quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula should be right. Okay, let us write here. Minus b means minus into minus, it becomes plus 60 plus or minus root b square means 3600 minus 4 into a is 1 only, and b is c is minus 2700 whole divided by, it becomes 2 into 1. Okay, now simplify it. 60 plus or minus root 3600 plus minus into minus plus 4 into 2700, 10,800. Okay, divided by 2. Now simplify it. What will you getting? 60 plus or minus 3600 plus 10,800. It becomes 14,400 all divided by 2. Okay, now simplify it. 60 plus square root of 14,400 is 120 divided by 2. Either x is equal to 60 plus 120 by 2, or x is equal to 60 minus 120 by 2. So x is equal to 60 plus 120 means 180. 180 by 2 means 90. Okay, or x is equal to minus 120, or 60 minus 1 minus 120, it becomes minus 60. Minus 60 means minus 60 by 2 means minus 30. So lengths are not expressed in terms of negative, so we have to consider here the positive value, that is x is equal to 90. That means we have took the shorter side as x. Therefore shorter side is 90 meter, and the longer side, that is longer side, what we have taken, x plus 30. X plus 30 means 90 plus 30, it becomes 120 meter. So these are the measures of the shorter and longer sides of the rectangular field. Okay, in this way we have to solve the given problems by applying the quadratic equation and quadratic formula. Okay, let us discuss about some more examples. We consider this equation because we took here the smaller number as x and the larger number as y. So always we are subtracting the larger number minus smaller number. Okay, so now what is it again? The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. That means smaller number is x square. X square is equal to 8 times the larger number. Substitute this value in equation 1, but we'll have y square as it is minus x square means 8y, which is equal to 180. Now transpose this 180 to the left side, it becomes y square minus 8y minus 180, which is equal to 0. Now you can find the roots for this equation by applying the quadratic formula or by applying the factorization. So now I'm going to apply the factorization method to find the roots. Y square minus the equation R minus 18y plus 10y minus 180 is equal to 0. Now the first two term, what is common there? Y is common there. Let out y. Then what is left? Y minus 18. Then minus, so plus 10 is in these two terms 10 is common. Let out 10, and what is left? Y minus 18 is left, which is equal to 0. Here either y minus 18 is equal to 0 or y plus 10 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 18 or y is equal to minus 10. Okay, so numbers could not be negative. We have to take here only the positive numbers. Okay, we have to consider here only the positive integers. So y is equal to 18. So what we taken here, y is the larger number. Y is equal to 18. Then what will be the x? X is equal to x square is equal to 18. 8 into y. 8 into 18. That means 144. Then x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 18 are the larger and smaller numbers. Okay, in this way I have to find the solutions for the given 8 problems. Okay, so let us discuss about the next problem. Okay, let us consider the next example. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km more, it would take 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay, here we need to find the speed of the train. What they are given here, the train travels 360 km at the uniform speed. If 5 km per hour is taken more speed, okay, then it takes 1 hour less to reach the destiny. Okay, so now we have to find the speed of the train. Okay, so let us consider the normal speed of the train. Let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Okay, the speed of the train will be x kilometer per hour. Then it had taken 5 km per hour more. Then its speed becomes x plus 5 km per hour. Okay, it takes 1 hour less time to reach the destiny. Okay, now we can write here as according to the equation what they are given. Again, the 360 is the distance that covered by the train. Now we can write here 360 by x, okay, minus 360 by x plus 5, which is equal to 1. Why have to write like this? Here we have to write the time difference. Time difference is 1. Distance by speed. Okay, the normal speed and the speed which is more, that means 5 km per hour is increased. Okay, so that we have now 360 is common there in the numerator. Let out, then it becomes 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5, which is equal to 1. Now simplify it. What we are getting, 360 into LCM is x into x plus 5 is the LCM. Then x plus 5 is multiplied to the 1 and it is multiplied to the 1. What we have, x plus 5 minus x, this is equal to 1, right? This LCM is multiplied to the right side, then we are getting 360 into plus x minus x, it cancels. What is left? 5, which is equal to x square plus 5x. Okay, now simplify it again. X square plus 5x, and this comes to the right side. It becomes how much? 1800. Okay, 1800 is equal to 0. Now it is becomes the quadratic equation. Now we have to find the roots for this quadratic equation. Values of a, b, c are a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to minus 1800. Okay, now applying the formula, x is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus 5 plus or minus root b square means 5 square, and that is 25. Minus into minus, it becomes plus 4 into 1800 divided by 2 into 1. Then x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root 25 plus it becomes 18 4 72, 7200 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root. It becomes 7225 by 2. Now simplify. Okay, x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 7225 is, what will be the 7225? It is 85 by 2. Okay, now either x is equal to minus 5 plus 85 by 2 or x is equal to minus 5 minus 85 by 2. Then x is equal to 80 by 2, that means 40, or x is equal to minus 5 minus 85, it becomes minus 90 minus 45. So the speed cannot be negative, so that's why we have to consider here 40. Therefore the speed of the train is 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, therefore the speed of the train is 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, and then let us discuss about the one more example. Okay, let us consider the next example. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. The tap of a larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, so here the two taps. Together can fill the tank. Okay, together can fill a tank in 9 or 3 by 8 hours. Okay, then what we have to find here, individually how much time would they take, okay, to fill the tank, how much time they were taking. Okay, let us find the time taken by two individual taps. Okay, here the time taken by the smaller tap be x, okay, x hours, and the time taken by the larger tap larger one will be x minus 10, because it takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. Okay, so 10 minus, sorry, x minus 10 hours is taken by the larger one. Okay, now in 1 hour the smaller tank or smaller tap can fill 1 by x of the tank. Okay, in 1 hour, in 1 hour smaller tap can fill 1 by x of the tank, 1 by x part of the tank. So similarly, in 1 hour larger tap can fill 1 by x minus 10 part of the tank. Okay, now they together can fill of the time 9 whole 3 by 8. If you convert it into, it becomes how much? 75 by 8. Okay. Two tabs together take a 75 by 8 start. Okay. Let us write the equation. 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. 8 by 75. Why? Because here we have to take the time as reciprocal, because we take here the time taken by the, or the part which both the tabs are taken. The part which is filled by the both the tabs is taken as reciprocals. So that's why we have to take the time as reciprocal. Okay. Now we can simplify the equation. What we have? The equation becomes, what will be the LCM? X into x minus 10 will be the LCM. So 75 is multiplied to the right side and it becomes x minus 10 plus x. Okay, because this term is multiplied to the 1 and this term is multiplied to the 1. So x minus 10 plus x is equal to 8 into LCM is x square minus 10x. X square minus 10x is the LCM. Okay. Now let us multiply 75 to the 10, because 2x minus 10. Okay. Now let us multiply the 75 to the 2x minus 10. 75 into 2x minus 10, which is equal to, here multiply 8x square minus 80x. Okay. Now multiply the 75 into 2, 150x, and 75 multiplied to the 10, it becomes a minus 750, which is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Okay. Now 8x square minus 80x, as it is there only, and these two terms comes to the right side, it becomes a minus 150x plus 750, which is equal to 0. Now 8x square, what we are getting? Minus 80x minus 150x, that means 230x, and plus 750, which is equal to 0. Now we can solve this by quadratic formula method. Let us solve it. A is equal to 8, B is equal to minus 230, and C is equal to 750. Then x is equal to minus 230 minus into minus plus 230 plus or minus root 230 whole square. That means how much? 529 52900 minus into minus 8 into 4 into 750 all divided by 2 into 8. Then 230 plus or minus root 52,900. So here 8 into 4 into 750 becomes 24,000 divided by 16. Now simplify it. 230 plus or minus root, what it becomes? It would becomes 28,900 all divided by 16. Now simplify it again. What will have? $230 plus or minus 289. 289 square root is 17 and it's 10. Okay, because 170's square root is square is 28,900. So divided by 16. Either x is equal to 230 plus 170 by 16, or 230 minus 170 by 2. Okay, so 16. Then x is equal to 230 plus 170. It becomes 400 by 16, or x is equal to 230 minus 170. It becomes 60. by 16. Okay. Simplify it. 16 ones are 16, 25 sir, and here 16 ones are 16, 3.75. Therefore, x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 3.75. Okay. Here, if you take the x is equal to 3.75 hours, that means the time taken by the smaller tap will be 3.75. If you take, then time taken by the larger tap comes to the negative. So logically it is not possible. So we should not take the x is equal to 3.75 as a root. So we have to consider here only x is equal to 25, because smaller tap can take smaller tap can take 25 hours to fill the tank, and larger tap, that means x minus 10, that means x is 25 minus 10, that means 15 hours. 15 was taken by the larger tap to fill the tank. Okay. If you have any doubts in this question, please ask in the comment box. Okay. Okay. Let us consider the next example. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water. It takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to get same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Okay. So here that take the speed of the stream as x kilometer. Speed of stream be x kilometer per hour. Okay. The speed of the boat upstream would be speed of boat upstream. Okay. The water is running like this. The boat is running in opposite direction. That means it is negative. So that's why the speed of the boat in upstream will be 18 minus x. Okay. And speed of boat downstream, so it would be 18 plus x, because it is moving along with the speed of the stream. Okay. So now the time taken by the stream, time taken by the boat, okay, to travel at 24 km. Okay. Now according to the given question, we can write here the speed of time taken by the boat in upstream and downstream. It would be 24 by, because it travels at 24 km. So in upstream it takes 18 minus x minus 24 in the same distance is about downstream, that is 18 plus x, which is equal to 1, because it takes 1 hour more to 24 km. That means the time difference is 1 hour. Okay. Now simplify. 24 is common in the numerator. Let out 18 plus x minus 18 plus x, because this 18 minus x is multiplied to here, then it becomes minus 18, and minus into minus plus, it becomes x, which is equal to the LCM is 18 minus x into 18 plus x. Okay. Now if you simplify this, what will we getting? Okay, after simplification, 24 into 18 minus 18, it cancels, x plus x, it becomes 2x, which is equal to, here it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. If you apply that, you will getting 18 square minus x square. Okay. So we, okay, 18 square is 324 minus x square. 24 into 2x means 48x. Okay. Now simplify it again, or transpose the terms on one side. you're getting minus x square comes to the left side, it becomes plus x square, and 48x as it is there in the place minus 324 is equal to 0. Okay, now by the factorization method or by applying the quadratic formula, we can find the roots for this given equation. After applying the quadratic formula or simplifying by using the factorization method, we will getting the roots are x is equal to minus 54 are the roots for this quadratic equation. So here we have to take the speed as in terms of positive, so that's why we have to consider only x is equal to 6. Therefore speed of the string is equal to 6 km per hour. Okay, so this like question will be asking for 3 marks. 3 marks. Okay, it is an important example. Okay, so if you have any doubts in this question, please ask in the comment box. Okay, let us discuss more about the topic in the next video. Okay, thank you and keep watching the channel.